A few weeks ago, Claude wrote me a script for one of these videos. I pasted that script into ChatGPT and asked it to rewrite. ChatGPT's version was easier to read out loud, so I asked Gemini to tell me why. 3 AIs, same task, different outputs. And the more I do this, asking the same question to multiple AIs, the more I think it is the right way to use these tools, even though it sounds backwards. Today, I want to tell you about something I've started doing and why it goes against the assumption most people have about AI. I'm George, 30 years programming, currently a Salesforce developer. This is my AI intern. Most people use AI like this. One question, one answer, move on. That's how I started too. But I kept noticing something strange. The same prompt, sent to different AIs, give me noticeably different results. At first, I thought I was imagining it. Then I started checking on purpose. 3 examples come to mind right away. First, these scripts you're listening to. Claude is good at the emotional, nuanced writing. But when I read Claude's drafts out loud, they sometimes feel dense. ChatGPT's version of the same draft tends to be punchier, shorter sentences, more rhythm. I asked Gemini to explain why. It told me each AI has a personality built into how it's trained. Claude leans literary, ChatGPT leans punchy, Gemini leans synthesizer. Same task, different defaults. Second, emails. I had a tricky email to draft last week. I asked ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and Claude to all write a version. Same input, same goal, 3 different voices. The Copilot version was the most professional, but the most generic. ChatGPT's was the most direct. Claude's was the most thoughtful, but slightly long. I ended up taking pieces from each. Third, and this one surprised me, I asked Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini to estimate how long it would take me to narrate one of my scripts. The same script, all 3 AIs. Their estimates ranged from 50 seconds to 80 seconds for the same script. So, here's what I have come to think. The more I use AI, every day, for more things, more seriously, the more I feel like I need a second opinion. That probably sounds backwards. AI is supposed to make us more productive. Using one AI is already faster than no AI. Using 2 should be slower, not better, right? But that's not what's happening for me. Here's what I think is actually going on. AI feels like a single source of truth. You ask, it answers. The answer feels confident. That confidence makes it easy to forget that different AIs would answer differently. But they do. Their training is different. Their defaults are different. The same question, asked of different AIs, produces meaningfully different answers. Treating any one AI as the answer is a beginner's mistake. Treating multiple AIs as multiple perspectives, that's the move. Now, this isn't worth doing for everything. For most quick questions, what time is it in Tokyo? What is the synonym for expand? One AI is fine. But for anything high stakes, a script you will publish, an important email, a decision that costs real money, ask 2 or 3. Compare what they gave you. Decide for yourself. Yes, it's more work, but it's better work. And the more I do it, the more obvious it becomes that one opinion isn't enough. If you are using AI seriously, and you've only ever asked one AI at a time, try this. Pick something you would normally trust to one single tool. Ask 3. See what comes back. Drop a comment and tell me where the AI surprised you, or where they didn't. I'm George. This is my AI intern. Subscribe. New videos as I learn. Next time, I'm taking this idea further. I asked 3 AIs to plan my vacation. The comparison was bigger than I expected. See you in the next one.